Did you know Apple completely removed live wallpapers from iPhones running iOS 18 and later? I know, it's a bummer, but don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you a simple trick to get the animated wallpaper back on your phone. Step 1. Get a live photo. To make this work, you need a live photo. You have two easy options to get one. Take a new one, so open up your iPhone's camera app. At the top of the screen, make sure the live photo icon, it looks like a target with circles around it, is on. Then just snap a picture. Or you can download one. If you don't want to take your own, you can find tons of free ones online. Just do a quick Google search for live photo wallpapers. And find a site and options you like. Let's download this one. Save. Once you have your live photo, make sure it's saved to your photo library. You'll know it's a live photo because you'll have a live label in the top left corner. Step 2. Set the live wallpaper. This is the key part. Open your iPhone settings app. Scroll down to wallpaper. And tap add new wallpaper. Instead of choosing a standard wallpaper, tap the live photo option. You'll see all your live photos. Find the live photo you took or download and select it. Now look for the live photo icon at the bottom of the screen. This is crucial. If the icon has a slash through it, the wallpaper won't play. Tap it and make sure the live effect is turned on. You can adjust the photo to fit your screen. Just make sure you don't zoom in too much as it might disable the live effect. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap done in the top right corner, then set as wallpaper. Then set as wallpaper pair. That's it. Now when you lock your phone and long press the screen, you'll see your live wallpaper in action. Ever had bad cell reception? Check out this guide on how to improve your cell service with one setting.